Designing posters in Canva is simple and creative. You can start with a blank page and bring your own ideas to life. Add images, place your text, adjust colors, and style it the way you want. From business promotions, movies, and events, to school projects, sales, or social media, you can create any type of poster that matches your needs. In this video, I am going to show you how to create any type of post in just a few simple steps. So stay with me till the end. Follow exactly as I do, and you will be able to make amazing designs in no time. Open Canva and click on Social Media to get started. Once the social media section opens, you will see lots of templates. Just pick the one you like and click on it to start your design. After your selected template opens, choose the images you want to use in your design. I'm just using random images for now, so I will go to Elements and grab my images from there. Click here to remove the background. Resize the image and adjust it into place. Bring in the next image and remove its background as well. Now, choose and set the background you like. Click here to set the image as your background. Adjust the size and angle of the images you have added. Once you are happy with the size and placement, bring in the image you want to blend. Scroll down to the Apps section and search for Image Blender. When the search result appears, simply click on this app. Click on the linear option and you will see a line with 2 dots. Here is a pro tip to make your design easier and more attractive. Rotate those dots to adjust the blending direction and complete your design. When you are satisfied with the linear result, click Save to finalize your post. Now it's time to add text to your post. Write something based on the purpose of your design. I will just type some random words to show you how it will look. Here's the final look of your post.